Hello kids, hello everyone. Today in this topic we will see few phonics. Okay, we will see first phonics. Let me see here. See, these are the letters which you know. Letters which you know. Letters to know. Okay, but these are the letters which you already know. Just we will take a quick recall. Which letter is it, children? Which letter? Small. These are all lower case. That is small alphabets. What is this? L. First, name the alphabet. Identify the alphabet and name the alphabet. Okay, L, N, N, H, H. Which alphabet is it? E, E, G, J, P. L says L. N says in. Just doing a quick recall by identifying the letters as well as identifying the sounds of the respective letters. H says ha. H says, children, H says ha. E says e. E says e. G says g. G says g. J says j. J says j. P says P. P. Yes. I, in, ha, e. G, J, P. Now, these are the words which we know. Okay, see. At, mat, and, a. Both are same. Both have a sound. That is a. Then a. At, mat, and. Then a or a. Both are same. See, to avoid the confusion, some teachers, what would they do? They pronounce a as a. Some teachers, to avoid the confusion, they pronounce a and u has same sound. So a is a, u is also a. But some teachers who know phonics well, they pronounce it as different sound. A says a and u says a. A says a and u says a. But we can take a says a too. Okay. But only the thing is a is a. U is a. That is common. Since at, sat. Then b, at, bat. It, r, at, rat, r, at, rat, f, at, fat, on, on. So we have seen 9 words, right? Mat, repeat, mat, and a, that is a, sat, bat, it, rat, fat, on. Okay. Now we will see here. Not this one. These are the special words. But see, we will see a story one. See, who are they? Like you, there are 2 kids. Who is a boy from these? Can anyone tell who is a boy? Boy? Is this a boy? No. Is this a boy? Yes, this is a boy. Who is a girl? Is this a girl? No. Is this a girl? Yes. So, a boy and a girl. So, they both be having a name. Right? So, what is the name? Mal. Repeat. Al. Mal. Al. Mal. And an. Mal and an. And why? Because he and she. Mal and an. It's because in a story they both will be playing a major role. So see here, this is a phonics which is required for all the learners or the viewers for the little kids. this is the first step to start with the alphabets, the letters, the words, and the how to frame the letters with the help of the sound, and how to frame the word with the help of these letters, and how to frame a sentence with the help of letters and words. Okay, see here, mal and an, mal and an, a story of mal and an. Now we will see a story. Shall we see? See, a or a says a bat, bat, bat. And see here, this a, I've said here a instead of a is because a bat. You should combine it to a bat, or either you should say a vowel name. That is, always remember, if two vowels are there, no matter if it's same or different, two vowels are there back to back, we will say the second vowel's sound and the first vowel's name. So what you will say, a bat. While reading at the start, beginner, you read like this. A bat, bat, and a cap, cap, a bat and a cap, a bat and a cap. Read, a bat and a cap. So where is the bat? Bat is here. Where is the cap? Is it here? 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 Yes, this is a cap. A bat and a cap. Then what is this? A tin, in, a tin, in, and a hat. Hat. Tin and a hat. A bat and a, what is this? Cap. A tin and a hat. Now we will read once again. Going back to the previous page. See here. Mal, mal, and an. Mal and an. A bat and a cap. A tin and a, what is this? Hat. Now see here. Who is this girl? This girl is she, right? So Anne. Anne. What is she having? This is a tin which we have studied in our previous page. Tin. In tin, what is that? It's a jam. Anne has, what is she having? Jam. Where? In the tin. So in the tin, she is having a jam, and she is having jam. That is, she is eating jam. And repeat. Anne has jam in a tin. Anne has jam in a tin. Anne has jam in a tin. What is Mal having? Anne has jam in a tin. What is this Mal having? Mal has a bat. Mal has a bat. Anne has jam in a tin. Anne has jam in a tin. Mal has a bat. Now we will see here the next one. See, Anne's tin has a lid on it. Lid means in a tin, a lid will be there, right? To close. Airtight container should be there, right? So, Anne's, repeat, Anne's tin has a, what is this having? Lid on it. Lid on it. Lid on it. Not lid in it. Okay, lid on it. What is this Mal having? Mal has, that is, this is a Mal. This is Mal. He has his cap on. So, he is wearing a cap. He's wearing a cap. Now see here. Can, can, mal. Where is mal? Okay. Are you able to see? Where is mal? Mal is here. See. Can mal get ants jam? Jam is of whom? Ants or mals? Ants, right? Ants, right? Yes, bat is of who? Mal. So they both want others thing to them. See, ants jam is it, right? Mal needs the jam. Mal wants the jam of ant. So the question been asked is, can Mal get ants jam? What do you think? Can Mal get ants jam? Can he get ants jam? This is a question. We will see in our next video the answer. Okay. Then the next question. Can ant get Mal's bat? The bat is of whom? Mals, right? Is it of ants? No. It's of mals. So the question is asked, can ant get Mal's bat? So both the questions will be answered in our next video. Till then, bye children. Thank you everyone.